Yo guys, all these trades are took using the liquidity inducement theorems. There is no smart money, no bullshit. So in this video, I will explain why the smart money concepts does not work in the markets. So smart money concepts are completely fake in the marketplace. Many people, the market will move like this, right? Break off the structure and they will follow the trend. They will use the Fibonacci to mark the order blocks. There are number of order blocks. There are number of order blocks from the left. They will take loss here, loss here, loss here. But the market doesn't move in the simple structural manner. The market doesn't move in the simple structural manner. It is completely fake. It is the building up of liquidity. Somehow the market moves like this. It will take the liquidity of the smart money people. Smart money people liquidity got taken out. Now it will move. This is called the LIT template, liquidity inducement template. This is how I trade the markets from the liquidity point to the liquidity point. So there is nothing like structure. This is complete scam and bullshit knowledge. So why the structure is fake? So many people think it has the break of the structure. But what happens in the reality is this is not the break of the structure. This is just the liquidity graph. Now here the two types of people are trapped. The one who is looking for the buys to continue the trend, their liquidity got taken out because their stop losses will be at this low, right? So their stop loss hit and the market will move again here. Now after the break of the structure, the people will sell from this order block, right? Again here another people stop loss is hit. So the market successfully hit two types of traders before it continued in the direction. This is how the market manipulates the traders using this false knowledge of the smart money concept. Smart money concept is completely wrong. The win rate of the smart money concepts are very low when compared to the liquidity concept because the liquidity is a fuel for the price. Any given time frame you will see the pattern number of times. This pattern occurs over and over in the marketplace. This is how the real money transfer. In this zone, the money was collected, the money transfer happened and mitigated this zone after the liquidity. Now the real move is happened. Without the money transfer, there is no move. The money transfer should happen. Now liquidity got taken out, mitigation. This is the real mitigation because without money, there will be no mitigation occur. So after the money is taken, now the market moves. This is how the cycle works. This is the liquidity inducement cycle template. So before going to the charts, I want to show you another example. This is how the retail people got trapped. This is the build-up phase of the market. This is how the market operates. It will build up of the liquidity, engineer liquidity, and it will manipulate. These are all the liquidity inducement templates. There are some more, but I will teach in another video. See, build up, manipulation. Now the real move happens. All the time, the market seeks for the liquidity and efficiency. Always, please remember this point. Always, when the liquidity is taken out and the price is moving, it always seeks for the any inefficiency to mitigate. If the inefficiency means if the price is moving like this, there is no mitigation here. There is no mitigation here. So this is the breaker block. So always the market will come back to fill the inefficiency because here the sellers are not filled their orders. So the sellers got filled their orders and then they will go up. This is how the market moves. Liquidity standpoint to the liquidity standpoint and from imbalance to the EPA, efficient price action. So, and moving to the videos. So I will explain all these examples in the video. Please be patient. Okay. This is called efficient price action because this is the order block that smart money people got wiped out. Here, the smart money people will want to buy the market because they think it is a break of the structure, and they will buy the market here. So when they buy the market, their orders are not filled here. So the market will always come back and mitigate the inefficiency. Now the inefficient price action becomes efficient price action. So there is no point for the price to mitigate this again. It can go down. This is how the market will work. So let's coming into the video. I don't use any structure. I use the liquidity points. Every high and low in the marketplace is liquidity. Similar to this, I didn't mark the entries. There are many entries in the cluster of the price. I will show example. I don't care about the structure. I don't care about the market is going like this, or mark the order blocks. This is bullshit. This is completely fake knowledge induced by the matrix. So, how I trade the markets? I will show you. Wait. I will just draw the liquidities. I'm showing the hindsight here. See, every high, there's a reaction. I will gain cells here. 5 stop loss. Target the liquidity. See, again, this is the EPA, efficient price action, because imbalance is there. See, again, what's this pattern? I just showed this pattern right here. This was the pattern. Same pattern happened here. Accumulation of the liquidity, manipulation of the liquidity. See here. This is the accumulation, manipulation, real move. You can take the sell also here because it's a little bit advanced, but you can take same concepts. Liquidity got taken out. I don't use structure because see, for every entry we use, there are SMC people get trapped out, because if you see this entry here, SMC people will use this as the fucking order block, right? They will use this as the order block. But how we used it? We used it as a liquidity. We just used it as a liquidity. So that's why we got a win, because we are following the banks, we are following the money transfers of the orders. That's why we got a win again. The smart money people will sell from here. Again, we waited for the smart money people liquidity to be taken out, and we sold the market. Again, over and again. The smart money people looking for the buys because they think it's a break of the structure, but for us it's a liquidity grab. Again, after this break, they will think to sell here. Right? Again, they got break even 2 times, and again, this is the EPA. That's why this reaction came. We can buy here. And target the nearest liquidity. 5 hour is enough for this type of entries, because the trend, the higher time frame trend, is bearish. Again, see here, this is the accumulation of the orders, retail people getting trapped, retail people liquidity got taken out. We should be sells again. I'm just showing the context how the market moves from the liquidity point to the liquidity point. There is bullshit. Smart money concepts are bullshit. Again, see here, what the smart money people will think is this is the, so they will play from here. But what happened? The liquidity got taken out at the tip, and I will enter here. Always the market moves on the liquidity points. I will stress it, because the market without liquidity, there is no movement in the price. After the money got taken out, the market will move. It's common. If there is no money, no movement. See, again, the smart money people get trapped here. That's why this reaction came. This reaction is induced by the bank. This is the engineering of the liquidity. Because of this reaction, more and more smart money people buyers will enter the market, because they will wait for the charge, right? Something bullshit charge. At the order block, they wait for this pattern. and they will buy here. So see, they got taken out and I enter the market. What's the next target? This, because liquidity got taken out. The trend's liquidity got taken out. Again, again. Same thing happens. Now the smart money people will think this is the buy and they will buy from here. Can you see the reaction? Engineering of the liquidity. Liquidity got taken out. We got the buys. Same pattern works over. You can get entries every day. Again, smart money people. Structure here. Break of the structure. Buys. This cycle happens every day in the marketplace. Smart money trap or entry. This is the target liquidity. You can't understand this concept if you watch a single video. This requires hours and hours of practice. I practiced this style for more than 3 years, and now I am able to make consistent income from these setups. My eyes are trying to see the liquidity. Again, see, this is the liquidity point because this is the clean high, and the smart money people will buy from here. The smart money people got taken out, and we enter the market. The simple thing here is we should understand where the sheeps are trying to push the price, where the sheeps are trying to push the price. Again, how I know, you may get it out. Why you didn't target this liquidity? Because there is a EPA here, inefficient price action. Inefficient price action here. So that's why I just target this. And again, see, after the inefficiency got hit, the price has no point in going up and take this liquidity because the inefficiency got filled. So the market should go for the another liquidity or another efficiency. So where's the another liquidity? This is the another liquidity, higher time frame liquidity. So you should target this. So I showed the entries from here. This is how the market works from the liquidity point to the liquidity point. So there are specific timings where the money transfer and the algo timings are there, magic minute mitigations, what you call. I will explain. There are a lot of topics to cover to understand the algorithm. Algorithm works in a specific criteria. The one thing is to take the liquidity and move the price and to fill the imbalances and follow the efficient price action. Efficient price action, breaker blocks, and all the same. Don't no need to confuse for everything. Shit. Again, this is the liquidity. 1 minute. This is the liquidity. Liquidity got taken out. This is midnight because, as I told you, the time and price is very important when you're trading this algo style. This is the midnight, so you don't trade midnight, right? So you should not take the entry. You should wait for the another liquidity, another low to be forming out, and wait for the smart money people to get trapped, sheeps to get trapped. This is where the sheeps got trapped again, and we enter here. Can you see the timing? This is the new up, so this is the best timing to enter. Again, see, you can take these small cells because the market will move like ping pong manner, right? There is no high without a low. There is no low without a high. You can take the small cell before the big move. You can take this cell because same thing. Asian liquidity taken out. See, smart money people, smart money sheeps will take it as the break of the structure and they will they will sell the market from this order block. Their stop process get hit and you enter the market here, here. Just do this. This is so. I know your mind will be blown by seeing this stuff because nobody talks about this stuff in the YouTube. Nobody. ICT itself. ICT will talk because ICT is the inventor of these topics. I don't invent the topics, but ICT. I just refined it. See, sells, buy, sells, buy. These are the moves you will take when you understand the algorithm. This is the very high probability scalping. You can trade for living if you understand this concept. See the exact tip will happen. If you follow the structure again from the higher time frame, this is the market oscillation, right? Higher highs. Sorry, lower lows, lower lows. So this is the last smart money order block. Smart money people will sell from here and will wait for the liquidation. See, at the tip, I forgot to take this entry, but this is also entry. Let's check the timing. Yeah, this is the New York, so this is the valid entry. See the risk rewards, crazy risk rewards. Everyone is talking about the 3 hour or 5 hours, but see, these type of entries you will get when you clearly understand the algorithm and money transfers. Same thing happened here. The money transfer happened and the move happened. Same thing. Liquidity got taken out, the move happened. Same thing. Money transfer happened, the move. This is the efficient price action. I call it as you can take the sell here and up to next forming liquidity. This liquidity. See, there is no, you have seen right in the span of 1 month we got so many entries. All are based on the algorithm. We are understanding the algorithm of the market. See how many times the smart money people get fucked up in the marketplace. It's a lie. Just smart money people is a lie. You should understand why. And to learn this concept on the deep dive, I am offering the one-on-one mentorship service. You can just see the description or comment section to join it. Have a good day, guys. Peace.